So like I said, our biggest problem was the pulley, and instead of buying a new pulley, we couldn't do that. So instead of just buying a regular used pulley, we bought a whole motor. Subaru motors aren't cheap, but this one needs work. But this one has the pulley we're looking for. So let me uninstall it real quick. Wow, it came out complete. Whoa, that's a lot of rust. Slide off. Yep. There you go. Oh. No, I think it's the same. I think it's the same. Oh, it's going the opposite way now. Okay, keep in mind. Go. There you go. Can you go there? Oh wait. There.
I'm off road,
Sure. So we just installed the crankshaft pulley. And now we're gonna see if everything looks good. We used the flathead to hold the flywheel. It's not. What happened? I forgot to plug this piece in. Now it should start. Hey, it is not spinning, it's straight.
Yeah, but we need to put antifreeze there. Ready?
We noticed some noise on the sway bar link, so we went straight to AutoZone and picked up a sway bar link, and we bought for both sides, and it was about 20 bucks each. After going on the test drive, the unthinkable happened. We ran out of transmission fluid. with 2 quarts of transmission fluid from the dealer that we had laying around, and we were able to drive again. Then we made it to this muffler shop, which was pretty cool, and he went straight away to fix the 2 holes in our pipes. He started by cutting off the muffler, and I saw this amazing transmission table. I liked it. There was turbos and headers and mufflers everywhere. It looked nice, and valve covers as well. Then he started aligning the muffler back again, and he had to take out the whole muffler to do that. And then he put a new pipe and started tacking things into place. I saw the Civic Type R valve cover and this EJ25 Subaru motor from a 2015 with a old school intake manifold on top. It was pretty cool. Then we have entered the lounge area with this German Shepherd, and they had turbos and so much antique stuff everywhere. And I found this old school fuel pump injector thing and thermostats and seats that looks like it's from a van and old license plates. It was just such a vintage place, and only Ford Mustang parking only. Make sure you're a Mustang. Then we went to get some gas because we almost out of gas, and yeah, there you can see the muffler job that they did. You can see the 2 pipes that they installed for the reflection of the pedal. So this car has come a long way since we picked it up, and looking like this, which was pretty insane when we seen these pictures off the auction, to looking like this was pretty cool. And I like the way it came out, from replacing all of these crazy parts to preparing the hood for paint and doing custom decal to painting it with trim black. Was just an insane journey. It was not what I expected, but it came out so nice. As you can see, the before and after pictures are just insane to look at. Either way, I thank you guys for watching, and this might be it for this car. It looks really nice. I gotta see you in the next video. Peace and God bless. Like and subscribe as well, please. Thank you. Bye.